Today I'm going to be showcasing the 2021 GT Performer in copper, and the first thing I want to say is that it has a very comfortable seat. Good when you want to ride with your butt down, and it has Performer GT on the side, and it's a remake of a old GT Performer. And if you look closely on the wheels, it says GT on the wheels. I think that's very cool. And today I put on new Shadow Conspiracy pegs in copper. They're pretty cool. I like them. And overall, this is a good bike, and I really like it. The remake is from like the 80s or the 90s, and I really think it's a good bike. And the grips is very comfortable too. Has grips. It says GT on the side of the grips too. It doesn't have a front brake though, so if you like front brakes, then this is not the bike. And it has another GT Performer sign right there, and there. And it has no chain guard, so that. And it has also red pedals, which like that. And there's another GT right there. And there's also like weld marks over there. That's really cool in my opinion. That is like darker, and same over here, darker, the welds. And that's all I'm gonna say about this bike, and see you in the next video.